Okay, let's look at question 8. Solve the equation 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 equals to 0. Hence, solve 2 over y cubed minus 3 over y squared minus 11 over y plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so there's a solve, there's a hence. Okay, so the hence question, right, is to make use of the question that we solved in the first place to help us to answer the question. Okay, so minus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so the first thing that we'll do is to key into calculator to find out what are the roots that we have in the equation. All right, so wait, let me just key into calculator. So we will have 2 negative 3 negative 11 positive 6. Okay, so we'll have x, okay, negative 2 equals to 0. Okay, so actually this one, f negative 2, okay, is one of the factor, equals to 2 negative 2 cubed minus 3 negative 2 squared minus 11 negative 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 is a factor. Okay, now notice that it's only 5 marks, right? So we don't need to spend too much time on it. So using the calculator, we know that there are two other factors, which is half and 3. So we'll do something like f3 equals to 2, 3 cubed minus 3 bracket 3 square minus 11, 3 plus 6 also equals to 0. Then we can conclude x minus 3 is also a factor. Okay, and then we just do the same thing. F function of half, okay, is equals to, write down the same thing, 2 half cube minus 3 half square minus 11 half plus 6 also equals to 0. Okay, so write down 3 times. Okay, if you don't want to, you can do the first time, do a long division, then factorize normally, right? Factorize a quadratic equation. Okay, so doesn't really matter, so we can say that fx is equals to made up of 2x minus 1, x minus 3, and x plus 2. Okay, so therefore solve the equation. So therefore when fx equals to 0, x equals to half, 3, and negative 2. Okay, so that's the first part. Okay, now hence solve, right? So you notice that, okay, the equation actually, okay, we are trying to find some corresponding values to it, right? So this is 6, right? They corresponds, okay, positive 6. Negative 11x, okay, however, is written as negative 11 over y. 3x squared is written as 3 over y squared. Then 2 over y cubed is written as, okay, 2x cubed. Okay, so you need to be able to spot that the link is actually to just replace x as 1 over y. Okay, if 1 over y is equals to x, then our 1 over y cubed minus 3 1 over y square, sorry, let me rewrite, okay, minus 11 1 over y plus 6 equals to 0 will transform into 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 11y plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, and since we already know that x equals to half, 3, and negative 2, correct? So the reverse of it, 1 over y is equals to half, y would be equals to 2. 1 over y equals to 3, y equals to 1/3. 1 over y equals to negative 2, y equals to negative half. These are my solution. Okay.